Hi, Assalamualaikum guys, I am Tokmat. This first video is about Martingal Layer. Martingal Layer is a strategy for and 3. Alright, how does Martingal Layer works? Okay, let's say if you are going to buy, Martingal Layer would work like this. It's a triangle and you have to split your position. Let's say you want to risk $1. So if you are going to buy and the market gives you like this, okay, make sure you place 0.10 first, and let's say if the price went down some more, you can place 0.30, and let's say if the price went down some more, you can place 0.60. So if the price went up, you will profit more than you lose. Okay, this is for buy setup. So it should look like this. You place 0.1 first, then you place 0.3, and last entry is 0.60. If you place $1 directly above here, you will lose a lot of money. So please split your position like this. Okay, this is for buy setup. And let's say for sell setup, how does Martingal Layer works in sell setup? Okay, let's say you already place a resistance zone here. Make sure when price hit the resistance, you enter using the smallest lot first, 0.10. And if suddenly price break above, you can place another 0.30, and your last entry would be 0.60. And if price went down, you will profit more than you lose. Okay, so make sure you split your entry. If you want to reach 0.10, you can place here 0.01, 0.03, 0.06. Okay, so you have to calculate how much you want to risk. So this is the strategy for you to gain more profits and manage your risk low, and your risk will be lower. So let's say your SL is here and suddenly price didn't go down, price don't go down, it hit your SL, you will only lose small amount of money. But if it goes the way you predicted, we predicted, you will win a lot of money. So let me draw again how to layer using Martingal strategy. Buy setup, sell setup. If you want to buy, make sure you use 0.01 first, then you upgrade to 0.0, then if it go down, you enter 0.03, and if it go even lower, you can enter 0.06. okay, for sell setup, your first entry must be the lowest. Okay, let's say for sell setup, first entry is 0.01. if price go higher, you can enter 0.03, and if it go even higher, you can enter 0.06. okay, so don't Don't place big orders at one place. Make sure you split your orders to 3 or 4 places. Okay, how much is the gap between here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here? 10 pips. 10 pips, meaning every 10 pips you can layer one entry. First entry, we went up 10 pip, you enter 0.03, it went up another 10 pip, you enter 0.06. So the strategy would look like, for us to buy, please enter lower lot first, 0.01. Suddenly price went even lower, 10 pips, it went down another 10 pips, you can enter 0.03, and if it go lower, you can enter 0.06. From here, if price went up, you will profit big profit. If suddenly price went down and hit your SL, you will only lose small money. Okay, this is how you manage your risk. For sell setup, so you see price went up, you enter 0.01 first. Suddenly it went even higher, you enter 0.03. Suddenly it go even higher, you enter 0.06. Okay, so if the price go straight to our direction, you will profit big profit, because you enter 0.06 at above. And if suddenly price didn't go as what we predicted and hit our SL, you will only lose small money because the big lot is near the SL. Okay, I hope you understand about Martingal Layer. This is the strategy that we are going to use in our trading system. Alright, I will share with you my technique on the next video. Bye bye.